Yes, Digital Product Family. Hope you guys are well, guys. I'm looking at license plate designs today. Listen, these things are popular and they are actually very profitable if you get it right. Guys, it's about getting this right. And I've looked into this a while ago. And the thing about license plates is you got to do it right to make sure you get the profit. So stay right to the end because I'm going to give you tips on the best way to do it and also how to actually produce it. 3 ways of producing it. Guys, as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get more of my videos in your feed. Anyway, let's check this out, man. Look, license plate designs are actually very popular. And the thing is, with any design, things that cross over different niches like clip arts, like tumbler wraps, the same designs apply to these. Now, what I mean by that is, let's say you're looking at bundles. Now, traditionally, bundles of designs, I'll just look at this one just because it's in front of me. But look, this, you can see there are license plate designs here. But what they've done here is they've combined it. They put license plates with car coaster designs. Now, check out my video on car coasters. But obviously, this makes sense because they are car-related products, items, which makes sense. But what I mean by if you do a bundle and you do designs that are popular, is that, for example, when you got something like sunflowers, when you got something like American flag, when you got something like cowhide, when you got something like leopard print, when you got something like flowers, right? These are popular designs that cross over many niches, whether it be tumbler wraps, clip arts, ornaments, whatever it is. There are standard things that cross over. Highland cows, sloths. Look, there's a Highland cow right in front of me. Look at look at it. What kind of luck is that? Right in front of me. Anyway, look, here's one for fish, for people that love fishing. So what I'm trying to say is, with license plates, it's no different to other kind of sublimation PNG designs that you produce, where you're trying to appeal to a market. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Now, appealing to, when you do a bundle, you're appealing to many markets, because all in one, you're appealing to many different markets. So a bundle always makes sense, but there is more to it. There is more to this. So I wanna just find you the best, or show you, should I say, the best way of making that profit. Now, before I get going with this, I want to show you something real quick. As usual, we go to our beast, our research tool, the gem finder, the nugget finder, EVERBEE, the one we call EVERBEE. Check it out. Link is in my description. Do check it out so you can find all those gems that I do, free access. Now, this is what we do. We go to product analytics real quick, man, and then we see what we can find. Now, we try and find those gems, obviously. But one thing I would say, definitely, that does well. Now, one thing I'll say that does well from my research and my design and look at this, $1,200 per month for this bundle, right? But one thing I will say is that the license plates work well with other items. So you have car coaster here, you got a bundle car coaster, you got a keychain here. They work better. License plates work better with other items together. Now, from all my research that I've done, I see these ones that with the. Here's another one. Look, I mean, we saw that one actually. Sorry, we saw that one. Here's a 40 bundle, $322, and this one is with car coasters. So anything that you can combine with something else, with license plates, with car coaster, will sell better. I've seen the license plate bundles by themselves, and they're like between $100 and $300. And you know, you want to obviously maximize on it. So do check out my video on car coasters. And then when you're looking at singular car coasters, they don't seem to make as much anyway. Look, when you're looking at one single digital download, we're talking about $55. I mean, it's a 1 month old listing. And to be fair to this, if you actually do loads of the, I mean, look, this got 23.33 conversion rate. Actually, it's a good conversion. This for a single license plate is actually not too bad. You know, it's $55 making, right? And it's not even on a sale. So imagine you got 10 of these, right? That's $500 odd. So they can make money as single items, but I'm trying to say we want to maximize, right? Even more. And this is how we maximize. This is the skill in this. This is what I found. This is the one that works the best, is when, let me go up to it, right? Now, I mean, this is a $336 bundle, right? So it's making $336. Now the key is this, and this is what I believe you should do, right? and it works fantastically well. The best way that you could do this is have an idea of a niche. So for example, you can see this one's got Highland cow. Highland cows doesn't have to be, it could be pets, could be dogs, it could be sunflowers, could be butterflies, something that you know that there is a demand for on Etsy where people look for this particular design, and then adapt it to a car bundle. Now the car bundle should include a license plate like you got in this case, these license plates, and that's what you should design. And then you'll have a car coaster. Check out my video on car coaster. You got the freshie, which I'm going to do, the car freshie, and literally you'll have a bundle of these. This is the way I think you should do a few different designs. So you can see that cow, Highland cow is different to this one, and there's also another Highland cow style. So have a few styles of a particular niche that you know of, that you're maybe doing, that you know that could be popular as a design, and adapt it to a car bundle, right? And I think that would do very well. Now imagine this one's making around $300, right? It's not even on a sale, guys. Look at it. It's $33.60. A bundle of 50. Imagine you got 3 or 4 of those little bundles of this combination. It actually will fly off the shelf. It's absolutely fantastic idea, I believe, and I think it would do better than just having the license plate on its own as a bundle or as a singular item. Now, like I said, it can work, and we've seen it work if it was a single item. However, to maximize, this is the best way forward. Now, let's have a look at 3 ways of actually creating this. I'll show you very quickly. Now, as usual, we go to MIDJOURNEY, my go-to AI software. So let me jump on. Now, this is what we do. Very quick. Now, I've been working on a few different designs myself, so you know, you can see the aspect ratio, which is very important because the license plate is like so. We need to make sure that we get the design correct. So, you know, you could first of all, and like I said, I always like to verify, right? I always like to do my verification. So I would go to keyword research. So literally, as usual, go to EVERBEE, my go-to keyword research. Check out link in my description. Now, I do this. This is what I do. So I do license plates, and I've done this already because I've obviously done my research. I'll go license plate. It could be glitter, like a glittery star. I know that these are quite popular, actually, like glittery license plate. Actually, a bundle of license plate and a glitter star would do quite well. So, look, license plate, glitter, right? That's the keywords that I'm putting in. Now, look at this. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at this. Keyword score 140. Boom. Nugget right there. Look. Search volume of 212. 212. Competition of 1,507 a month. And that's just for that, right? Now, I could do colors. So I'd say license plate black glitter or pink glitter or green, whatever. Let me just do a quick analysis. Look at this. 71, 463. Keyword score 150, baby. Yes, we're flying today. Today we're catching a plane and we're going to Miami Beach, man. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying to you, right? Quick keyword research. You got to check out EVERBEE. You find the gems like that. Anyways, so that's it. Let's just do our thing, right? Go to jump onto MIDJOURNEY. Boom. Right. What do we need to know? We need to know the aspect ratio. Remember aspect ratios, guys. Come on. License places like so. 7:4 is our aspect ratio. We jump on the thing. Right? Boom. Okay. So sunflower watercolors, because I identified that was not too bad. That's not too shabby. So I did a quick design. Remember, imagination. Copy the text. Boom. Right? Imagine. Right? Obviously, do whatever you want. Paste. I might say, sorry, pasted way too much of that. Remember, add more details. You probably need to add, but I want to be quick. Sunflowers, watercolor with butterflies, in a glitter style. Yeah, in glitter. Aspect ratio, line, AR, 7:4. Boom. It's gonna give me that nice size. Okay, there you go. Boom. Four different examples ready to go. Then we upscale, guys. We do the upscaling quick time. Okay, got my 4 designs. I want to go with one little design which I like, so I'm going to upscale one time. And remember, look, you do need to, I would definitely suggest upscale by 4, right? Because look, you got the options. As long as you're on the right subscription, upscale it by 4 for real. That's what I would do, yeah? Definitely upscale this by 4, right? There you go. Boom. So give it a little bit of time. Now, whilst you're waiting, we don't just wait. We just do stuff. So then we're back on Etsy. Now, this is what I would do personally, right? I would say car license template, right? I told you I'm going to show you 3 ways, right? 3 ways. So car license template, right? There's 3 ways of doing this. Now, what you can do is you'd get a template. And I suggest you get yourself a template, a car license template. I bet you could use a CANVA drag and drop like this one, where you can just quickly drag the design like you see in here, that video that I've just showed you. So that's a method. And remember, make sure you get the right size. It's 12 by 6. There's different styles. There's a vanity license plate, and I'll show you what I mean with these particular holes. So you also want to just look into the type of license plate style, because there's a few ones. These are probably the most popular ones, which has these holes styles on the top and the bottom, right? The vanity license plate, I believe. Now, so you get yourself a template, maybe like this, a digital download, instant download, where it can be maybe Canva editable. You got different formats as well. And you can do it through Canva. So you could actually get yourself a template. So you can see that I've done mine already. I've got one done already. You can see I've gone on to, there's my Canva one. Let me just detach it so you know what I'm talking about. Detach that. Detach my design. Okay. So you would get some kind of frame like this. Canva would give you a frame. You upload it on Canva, and then you can insert your design. So whatever design you've created, you upload it, right? And then get your design, and then obviously sit it into the frame, and it will just literally do the job for you, okay? You can do it like that. Obviously, make sure firstly you've got it like upscaled. The thing about Canva, maybe it won't give you that 300 DPI. So what I like to do is, and I'm going to show you the second way, probably a better way in terms of like making sure that you got that 300 DPI, is here's a 12 by 6 again, 12 by 6. Remember, 12" by 6". Slightly different type of license plate, because you got the round holes. Obviously, just make sure you get the one type, and the vanity ones is probably the best. Get your design, obviously, get your design uploaded. So make sure you get your template, which you can download, like I said, from Etsy. They'll give you different templates which you can download. Like I said, I like one of these. They're only $2, by the way. You get it for $2. Boom, really cheap. Look, $2.35. And then jump onto Canva or jump onto KITTL. And so what I'll do is I'll just, get the design, and obviously make sure that the design is covered. Now, if you've got an aspect ratio from MIDJOURNEY correct, then it should be fine. It might be a little bit short, so you need to obviously make sure that you cover the design fully, okay? You might want to cover the design fully, just get it in the right place, okay? And then you might want to just make sure you got it in the right place. Now you can see that the template, you can see the line work is there for it. Now with KITTL's, it's in a way, it's better in a sense. Look, size is 12 by 6 inches. You can export it with a 300 DPI. As yet, in the time of doing this video, you can't quite do that in Canva yet. So it's probably better in this sense to do, if you want to get 300 DPI, then you just download it as a PNG, okay? And then that's it. And you could do multiple, obviously, designs and templates. But that's all you really need to do with KITTL. Straightforward. As long as you got the template, the right size, it's all good. Third method I'm going to show you, which is when you want the person to buy the physical item, right? If you want the person to buy the physical item. Okay, so if you want the person to buy the physical item, you go to something called Printify, which is a third-party print on demand, where they can actually send out the physical item. So an example of this is if I go to catalog very quickly, check out the link in my description for Printify. It's a great way of getting extra income where you're selling a digital download and then also, in a sense, the physical item through print on demand. So I could, so let me just go to something very quickly, anything. see all. I'm gonna type in license plate because they do have some good ones actually here. License plate, boom, right? So license plate and choose one like this is the vanity plate. I think I mentioned it. The vanity plate is a good one to do because it's quite a popular one. You want to also go with a popular license plate, not just any license plate, right? That also is important. It's a bit like saying tumbler wraps, you know, 20-ounce skinny is a good one rather than maybe another size. So, you know, go for something that is going to be popular, a demand, right? So I'm going to go to this one, the vanity plate, and I'm going to get my start designing, okay? So what you will do is you can hook this up to your Etsy store quite easily. I've got my vanity design, plate, and I'm going to hook up my one of my designs, right? That I wanna upload, right? Obviously making sure that this got the right let me just see, yeah. Got the right dimensions. Sorry, got the right resolution. So when you upload your design, what's good about Printify, it will tell you pretty much straight away if the resolution is good. Whoa, it just sat right on there. Damn, no adjustments, nada. Look at that, high res. I mean, look, so that means it's telling you the res is fine. Not quite, it's almost 300, sitting on almost 300. So for this one is good enough, right? It's good enough. But guys, yeah, that's it really. That's how you do it 3 ways. You got Canva, you got KITTL, and you got also physically selling it through Printify, third party. But remember what I said, I'll definitely do a bundle of like the license plate, car coaster, air freshie, the car freshie, just as a combination because it seemed to work way better on Etsy. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, scratch that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Please, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, 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 bye.